and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen, where I'm actually not in my kitchen today. I'm in beautiful Lake Arrowhead, California, and I'm in the mood for a cocktail. So we are going to be making a blueberry champagne mule that is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is muddle together a few ingredients. You're going to want to use about 10 to 15 leaves of fresh mint, along with a 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries or frozen. It's really what you have on hand. And I'm going to try to put these in my glass without spilling it everywhere. All right. Next, I'm going to add in the juice of 1 lime, which is about 1 ounce of lime juice, and we can just muddle this all together. Now that my ingredients are muddled together, I'm going to add it to my cocktail shaker, which is full of ice. And you can't have a cocktail without a little booze, right? Or if you're making a mocktail, you can just add in some sparkling water right now. But I am making a cocktail, and I'm going to add in 1.5 ounces of vodka. Also, if you like a boozier drink, feel free to add more. This one's totally up to you. But I feel like this is just the right amount for me. Next, I also have some ginger beer to make this a mule, and I'm going to add in 2 ounces of chilled ginger beer. Now it's time to shake our cocktail all together. Before we assemble our cocktail, because it is a champagne cocktail, I have to pop my bottle of champagne, which is honestly quite terrifying for me. Oh dear. All right. Let me twist it off real quick. Very true. Come on. Okay, the moment of truth. Ooh, wow, that was smooth. That's rare for me. Now we can assemble our drink. Wow, this looks absolutely delicious, and a cocktail is never finished unless it has some garnishes on it. So I'm going to add in some fresh mint along with a slice of lime. Oh, and just a little stir so I get all the flavors. Probably should have put the mint in afterwards, I'm now realizing. And now the best part, actually getting to try our cocktail. Well, the moment I've been waiting for this entire video, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, this is so good. It's packed full of flavor, and it's really nice from the champagne because it's very light, which I love. And I think this is just an amazing cocktail. So please let me know if you try it and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you love cocktails from scratch as much as I do, there should be a playlist right here or over here of all my recipes. And don't forget to check out my other travel cocktail recipes where I have videos in Maui, the Bahamas, Malibu, and now Lake Arrowhead. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers! And don't forget to check back in next Sunday because we are making the most delicious pink lemonade slush.